whatever revision we are going to do, okay, they all will be, from the syllabus one. Okay, children. Okay, yesterday we revised that geometry one, all one, that one, okay, complementary angle, supplementary angle, we revised, right? You can also ask me your difficulties, okay? Which topic, which exercise you have felt difficult, you can share your difficulties with me. Okay, children? It should be from the both way one only. You have to share your difficulties with me. There must be, interaction. You have to ask me, not from one side only. I'm speaking and speaking, that is not good, okay? You have to also share the difficulties with me. Okay, Celine?
Okay, sir.
And okay. Your friends are admitting, okay? Okay, this is the revision time. And today especially we are going to revise from algebra. Okay, student? Okay, student, look here. Now I am going to show you the first one. Okay, revision questions here. Question here, okay. Okay, student, do you know a square minus b square formula one? That was asked in last, exam also. A square minus b square. Can you tell its formula? You can reply, okay. Don't wait for that. Those who know, okay, they can tell answer. What is the formula of a square minus b square? So, Srina, can you tell?
Sir, a square plus b square minus 2ab.
Okay, that is not okay. Its formula is a plus b.
Sir, a plus b, a minus b.
Yeah, a plus b into a minus b. Okay, this is the formula, right? And it was asked in the exam last time also. Okay, it is important, from the point of view of the examination also. Okay, this type of question. Okay, it is showing so in geometry one. Okay, figure one. How to show them in figure in geometry? Okay, that means geometrically how to show this one result. Do you know, children? You know how to do this in geometry one, geometrically? Sarita, do you know? Okay, Sadiksha, if you don't know here, first of all, okay, we have to draw one square here, okay, square figure. We draw one square figure here. This square figure. Its name is suppose give there A, B, okay, C, D, okay. These all sides are equal here. These all sides are equal. We suppose and we take that one. A, here also A, and here also A. All sides are A, okay. After that, after this, we draw here at its corner one another small square also. Here we draw one another small square. Okay. Its name we can give now D already here, okay. Then we can write E, F. Then you can put this point, this vertex G, okay. Okay, so then if you set this part, look here, if you set this part one, we are going to find the area of this shaded part by two different ways. Okay, first one, in first one, what do we do with this one? This area of shaded one, right? Area of shaded part, area of shaded region. What will be cylinder area of shaded region? Area of shaded part. Okay, or region you can tell. Area of shaded region equals to this big area. What is the area of the big square? A square, right? And what is the area of the small square? That small square area will be subtracted from big square. Okay, this is the first. Okay, this is the first thing you can write a first statement one result. Okay, this first one, area of the shaded region. And now again we are finding this area of the shaded region by another way. That means from here we draw here one line, straight line we draw here. Okay, and we put here one name. Here is already E, F, G. Already we can put here H. Okay, we put there H. Okay, then after putting the name H here, now we are finding this area of the shaded region by adding the area of this part rectangle, this part, this rectangular part. Okay, this one and this part. These two parts are there, and we are finding the area of the shaded region. Here also right there, area of shaded region. What will be there? Area of shaded region. Area of shaded region. What will be there, children? Can you tell? What is the area of this part? Look here. This is length A, and if it is total A, this is total A, and this part was B. Look there, this is B. Yeah, this part is B, this part also B, and this part also B. Then automatically this part also B. And if this total part was A, then what will be this part only? This part will be A minus B, right? This part will be A minus B. Okay, then its length became A and breadth became A minus B. Similarly, what will be this part one? This part one, this total is A, from A to A. This part is B. Then this remaining part, what is there now? This part. This part became also A minus B. Okay, this part is A minus B, and this part obviously here is given B. Okay, this one. Now find out the area of this rectangle and this rectangle. This is length. Length is A, breadth is A minus B. That means A into A minus B. Right? A into A minus B. Then plus, what is the area of this part? This also length, look here. A minus B and breadth is B. A minus B is what there? One side is length, another side you can take breadth. A minus B into B there. Now, what is children now here? What is common here in these two? A minus B take common. If you take A minus B common here, then what is remaining in the bracket? There is remaining from here remaining A, from here remaining B plus B. Okay, this is the second one result. Okay, this is second. Okay, write it 2 right here. And we know the first one and second one, both of them are representing the same part of this shaded one. Okay, this figure. Then what do we conclude from here? From first there was A square minus B square, right? And second there was A minus B into A plus B. Like this we find the formula A square minus B square equals to A minus B into A plus B. You can write A plus B first, A minus B back. Like this we find the formula A square minus B square by geometrical way. Okay, by using this figure. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Are you clear? Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Okay, now I am moving to the next one formula. This is second one. Aditya, do you know what is the formula of A plus B whole square?
Sir, A square plus 2AB plus B square.
You are absolutely right. A square plus 2AB plus B square. 2AB plus B square. This formula also we can show geometrically, okay? This formula also we can show in figure. Okay, Sujin? Look here, how to show this formula in geometrical way. Look, for that we have to show like this, okay? This is solution I am showing here. Okay, children, look here. Draw first of all one square. We have to use ruler and draw this line, okay? This one. Draw one square whose length is this all what A. Okay, children. All the sides are what here? A. This are also A, and this side also A. This is square, and its name is there A. You can give here B. Here you can give here C, and here you can give D. Okay, this type of figure was explained in grade 7 also. Even though here I am revising it. Okay, it was taught in grade 7. And now look at this part we have to extend. Okay, B we have to extend B here. Extend B. This side make longer, and this also extend B. Okay, when we extend this side B and this side B, then join and this one, okay, make this figure complete figure. Now here, if you draw here, you will get one another figure look like this, and this all this side also join here, and this side also join here. Okay, you can put the name here now. A, B, C, D there already. You can give here E, F, okay, G, H, I. Now, can you tell children if this is B, this is automatically B or not? This will be also automatically B because opposite sides are equal. This B, okay. Now this is B, then this side also B, and this side also B. And here it is how much there, children? This is A because opposite sides are equal, and this is A, then this side also it will be A. Okay, children. This figure you understood? Now tell me, what is this side, total side? This is A plus B or not? This side is A plus B, and this side also what will be? This side also total it is A plus B. Understood, children? This side also A plus B, this side also A plus B. Now I am solving this one, okay, area, finding area of this figure, this complete figure by two ways here. First, I am showing here what is the area of this one. Look, this side also A plus B, this side also A plus B. Area, what is area of this one? EGSD, or you can tell DEGS. What will be area of DEGS? Area of DEGS. What will be, children, there? Equals to, it will be length also A plus B, breadth also A plus B. That means it will be here A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, A plus B, then what will be there? Whole square, right? A plus B into A plus B, it will be A plus B whole square. And two number. Look here. In two number, we are finding the area of this DEGS. Here also we are finding by different way. Area of DEGS. Look at DEGS. We are finding the area of separate figure. This figure we are finding, this figure, this part, okay, and this part. there are 4 parts, we are finding the area of this 4 part and adding. Then it will give also the complete figure 1 area. Okay. What is the area of this children? This part? Can you tell Ishika? What is the area of this part? This first part, this one, where I am highlighting. What is the area of this part? Length also A, breadth also A. What will be its area? Its area is A square or not? A into A square. What is the area of this part, Aditya? This part where I am highlighting now, this part. What is the area of this part? Length is A, breadth is B. A, B, A into B. Now plus, can you tell me the area of this part where I am highlighting this one? Look here. Length is A, breadth is B. That this part is also A, B plus. What is the area of this part, children?
Sir, B square.
Good. B into B, B square. Look, when we add this like term here, what will be here? A square plus AB and AB, what will be there? 2AB. Then last, what is there? B square. Look, this is also, the first one is also area of this complete figure. Second one is also area of complete figure. Both of them are representing the same, okay, figure. They are, both of them are representing same figure. That's why we have to write, therefore, what is there now? A plus B whole square means what is there now? Both of them are representing same. What is the area of this one? A plus B whole square means now A square plus 2AB plus B square. Like this, we show the formula A plus B whole square equals A square plus 2A plus B square in figure. Are you clear, children?
Yes, sir.
Really? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Riva, are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Aditya?
Yes, sir.
Good, very good. Okay. Now look here, I am going to show you the factorization, how to do the factorization, okay? Can you tell me, children, what was the first method I taught you? The first method to factorization is, can you tell me what was that? If the question is given you to factorize, okay, if the question is given you to factorize, then first step we have to always start from taking common, isn't it? First method of factorization is to take common. If there is given to factorize like this, A square B plus A B square given, suppose. If it is given to factorize, I am asking this to Tejas Mishra. Tejas Mishra, please tell, what will you do? Hello, Tejas.
Yes, sir.
What will you do in this factorization if it is asked to factorize? I just told that whenever the expression is given to factorize, first of all we have to check whether there is common or not. Because first method is to factorize, is to take common. Is there common, children? Tejas,
Yes, sir.
what is common there?
Sir, A and B.
Good. A and B common. If you take A and B common, then remaining put in bracket. What is remaining from here first?
Sir, A.
Very good. And plus, what is remaining in B, this second?
Sir, B.
Very good, very good. Like this, we have to find out the factorization. First method of factorization is to take common. Aditi, are you clear? Sarita,
Yes, sir.
clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now I am asking to Sarita how you will factorize this. This is also factorization. If there is given like this, factorize. If it is given factorize like this, look here. 16x square y, okay, plus 36 x square y square, that is x square y square, and minus 80 xy cube. How you will factorize, Sarita, this one? First of all, you write question again first, okay? 16x square y plus 30 x square y square minus 80 xy cube there is, okay? Tell Sarita now, what will you do here? What will you
Sir,
do?
we have to take common.
What is common there? Can you tell what is common there?
Sir, X square.
There is number also common. There is number also common. Is there number common or look at 60, here is 30, if there is 80. You know 60 means what there? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2, right? And you know this 30 means what? 2 into 3 into 5. And you know 80 means what? 2 into 2 into 2 into 2 into 5, right? Because 16 5 look. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8 to the 16, 65. Can you tell what are the common number in all? Here also 2, here also 2, here also 2. What is common number there? Another.
2.
2 only common. Next. Is there any other common? No. We have to take 2 common there. We have to take which common? 2 common. And now x, y, x, y, x, y. In all there is x, y. We have to take x, y common. Then what is the remaining here? Children, first one, 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8. 8 left here, and 1 x is remaining there. Because x square means there is x into x. Y was there, y already common gone. Then what is remaining from 30? 5 3 is 15 left. Then x, y remaining, right? Minus from 80, what is remaining there? What is remaining here from 18? This one 80. 2 to the 4, 4 to the 8, 8 5 the 40 is remaining, right? And the xy cube was there, xy common gone, then what is left? Y square was remaining. Understood, children, this? Now look there, can we factorize other here? Can we do factorization other? No, there is no any other one. Okay, then these are the two factors. One factor is 2xy, another factor is 8x plus 15xy minus 40y square. These two are the factors. Understood, children? If here was cube, and here will be square, then we can do again middle term break here also. We have to do middle term break. If here is square, then we should try for the another middle term break. Okay? Okay, Riva?
Okay, sir.
Okay, now I am going to ask you how you will factorize if the question is given like this. You tell, please. If it is given question like this, to factorize like this. Factorize number A, I am giving here a square minus 4. How will factorize, children, please tell. Release. How will factorize it? How will factorize it? Simran. First of all, write this, okay? And how will factorize it? Right question again. I was asking to release. Hello, release. Suyog, how to factor this question? First of all, you have to make here a square and minus 4 means what there? 4 means 2 square.
2 square.
Good. Then this is in 2. Okay. A square minus b square formula. Then what will be first here? First factor and what will be second factor? Can you tell? First factor will be a plus 2. And second factor will be a minus 2. Okay. Now I am giving you to factorize next question here by using similar formula. Please, can you factorize this? You factorize and tell me the answer. How to factorize this? A to the power 4 minus 64. How you will factorize this question? Please, you factorize and tell me the answer. All of you factorize and tell me the answer. All of you do fast. I am waiting for your answer. What will be the answer of this one? Tell, please.
Sir, a square plus 8 a square minus 8.
A square plus 8 a square minus 8. Still can you forward them? No, right? 8 is not the square number. That is the answer. You are right. Here will be a square again square. Who was speaking? Who was giving the answer? Can you tell the name, please?
Sir, Avigya.
Abhigya, yes, Abhigya is a good girl, very good. 8 square means 8 is 64, and its a means here a square, b means there 8. It will be here a square first of all plus 8, right? A plus b became, now what will be next? A square minus 8. This is the answer. Because we cannot open this now. 8 is not the square number. That's why we are not open. We are not opening this. This is the answer. Okay, children. But sometime in place of no, in place of 64. Okay, in place of 64, if there is b power 4, then we have to do like this. Look here. I am showing you C number here. If this question like this asked, then what will you do? A power 4 minus b power 4, if it is asked, please, we have to open 2 times this one, solve it. First, what will you do here? B square against square, right? Here is also a square. We have to open this 2 times. First of all, a plus b, a minus b. Again, this we can open the next formula also. Like this, it will have 3 factor here. Here first you write here a square plus b square, right, children? And here will be a square minus b square. Okay, here will be a square minus b square. Now again this write same, a square plus b square, right, same. Okay, and here what will be again? It has formula again. A square minus b square means here a plus b, a minus b. Like this we factorize. Have you understood? Sarita, are you clear about this solution?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Today's revision is like this, okay, this much only. And you keep on revising, okay, algebra 1. This type of question you revise, okay? That what we revise, and we will continue in next class also. Next class also we will revise algebra, okay, children? And today this much only. Bye bye, all of you.
Bye bye, sir.
Bye bye, bye bye, all
Bye-bye,
of you.
sir.
Okay, see you now in next period. Next period also we'll revise algebra. You please keep practicing.